and Spencer. We made a balsa wood glider, and now Sam's going to launch it for us.
Yep.
What's up, gamers? It's Owen here, recording Brody's Yacht Garage. We're set here with this tall garage and some big doors and a decently small door for Brody. Code for the garage.
Everyone, it's Brendan Rockefeller again, and I'm back with another video. So I've added a few more buttons, as you can see. And these buttons make the finch move. You see the finch right there? And we're gonna click the forward button. You can see him. And he's gone. He's gonna say,
"My dust, I am faster than you."
He says you're gonna eat his dust. And then you can click the back button, and he goes backwards. Then you got the left button, where he turns left. You got the right, and then he turns right. And those are the new buttons I add.
Rubai, and this is what I made.
I'm gonna race the finch.
Be careful with it. I don't want to get hurt.
It's a Men in Black pumpkin man. He's waving, and if you look on his case, it's the design of what his company called him.
Hello, Mr. Harmon's Instagram. This is part 5 of these awesome finch robots. And right now, this is Friday, the last day I have computers, and then I'm going somewhere else. But right now, I'm going to make it move. So, watch this. Go. Forward, more forward, and then backward, and then left, and then right. And forward, and then I can make it do a bunch of colors.
Hey there, friends. It is Mr. Harmon, and Yolanda's in my 6th hour. She took our awesome lesson with cutouts, and she added cool little faces. What tool did you use for the faces, kiddo?
Scribble.
And it's awesome. Well done.
Corn maze. We someone made a corn maze, and I made a spider.
Sea urchin.
Oh, a sea urchin. All right. Yeah. No, you can ask the question.
How is this a corn maze?
How did you go through it? Okay, well, we'll see you in the next video.
Mr. Harmon's Instagram. This is my finch lesson thing, and this is, as I'm recording this, this is the last day that I'm in computer. It's so sad. I know. Right after that sad moment, here it is my finch thing, and here's the finch. I can make it do, if I press G and this, it goes, and then and whatever you do, if you encounter this, do not press this button, press this one, because this button is evil, because if you press off, it turns it off. And if you press this button, it just stops, that red stop sign button. That's good. This button's evil. Remember that. Hi, so I'm Christian, and I made this really cool finch remote. Click the rainbow, it makes it a rainbow, and then when you click red, it changes to red. I can hit this, and then red, and then you can go to green. Yeah. Also,
Subscribe to HLModTech.
Friends, it is Elena
and Ashley.
So let's get cracking.
Video of the marketing period.
This is our glider brochure, and we talk about what steps we took to design our glider and how we made the glider the best it could be. And then that's the picture of our glider. awesome for recording. Bye.
Hello everyone, this is Brandon Rockefeller, and today I am showing you my Finch creation. So we have quite a bit of buttons. I have red, I have pink, I have blue, I have green, I have light blue, I have yellow, I have white, I have orange, I have the police. Then we have to click the down arrow to stop with our rainbow button and our random button. The buttons where it talks. So.
The fitness gram pacer test.
And then you can talk to the Finch. So
It is spooky season. Happy Halloween.
And then of course,
Mr. Harmon is the best.
is my Finch.
This is Easton for Mr. Harmon's class, and today he taught us to draw a circle. And I was exploring, and now look what happened. And I guess it made 60,000 radius circle, but it's too big, so it made it like this.
Big Chungus with Infinity guys. Hello everybody, it is me, Chimmy the Chungus, back with another video. This thing was made by me and Adam. The glider reflection. Right here is a picture of the plane that we worked on with the designing a glider thing. It shows all the information for it. Right here, this little big boy right here shows the time and how long it lasts in the air. 7.9 seconds. That's pretty good. Optimizing a glider. More information. Nice. Right here you can see the swag-delicious details of the weight, lift, drag, roll, pitch, and yaw. More information. Yay! Here's the plane itself in real life. Goodbye.
Christian and I made Mr. Pringles. This is, my name is Kalani. This is a Frankenstein I created yesterday in my 6-hour class. Yeah, it's like Frankenstein. There's like the stitches and like these nostrils and like the bones. And then here is what it looks like in real life. But even the eyes are moving. It just looks so cool.
Alright, girl. Sit. Stay. 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 Go! Good job, big girl. Good job. You coming all the way back? All the way back? One shot? Oh my gosh. Good girl. Way to go, big girl. Yes. Such a good dog. And we have that day to go out in. Good girl.